Are you tired of using low-quality drills that can't handle heavy-duty tasks? Do you struggle with battery life and constant recharging? Well, I've got some great news for you. Today we're reviewing the Milwaukee M12 2407-20 drill, a powerhouse tool that's taking the industry by storm. But here's what surprised me. This drill is not just about brute force, it's also designed with convenience and efficiency in mind. Therefore, let's dive into the details and see if it's worth the investment. The Milwaukee M12 2407-20 drill is part of their popular M12 line, which offers a range of cordless tools that are compact, lightweight, and incredibly powerful. With its brushless motor, this drill packs a punch with up to 600 pounds of torque, more than enough for most DIY projects and heavy-duty tasks. But what really sets it apart is the battery life. The M12 system uses lithium-ion batteries that can be charged quickly and efficiently, providing hours of runtime on a single charge. Therefore, you won't have to worry about being stuck in the middle of a project with a dead drill. Rehook, but don't just take my word for it, let's take a closer look at some of its key features. The Milwaukee M12 2407-20 drill comes with a range of convenient features, including an adjustable torque setting and a built-in LED light. The ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand, reducing fatigue and improving control. Therefore, you can work for longer periods without feeling tired or uncomfortable. Rehook, but what really gets me excited is the performance. Let's talk about its speed and power. With its high-speed transmission, this drill can reach up to 2,000 RPM, fast enough to handle even the toughest materials. The brushless motor also provides more torque and efficiency than traditional drills, making it a great choice for heavy-duty tasks like drilling through metal or wood. Rehook. But don't just take my word for it, let's look at some of its key specs. Motor type, brushless. Speed 0 to 2,000 RPM. Torque up to 600 pounds. Battery. M12 lithium-ion battery, 4.0 Ah. Weight 3.8 pounds. Rehook, but is it worth the investment? Let's talk about its price and value. The Milwaukee M12 2407-20 drill may seem expensive at first, but consider this, you're getting a high-quality drill with advanced features that will last for years to come. Therefore, the cost per use is actually quite low. For the best price, click the link in the description. Rehook, but don't just trust me, let's hear from some of the experts and customers who have used it. The Milwaukee M12 2407-20 drill has received rave reviews from professionals and DIYers alike, with many praising its power, convenience, and durability. Therefore, if you're in the market for a new drill, this one is definitely worth considering. Rehook, but don't wait too long, supplies are selling out fast. For the best price, click the link in the description to get yours today. In conclusion, the Milwaukee M12 2407-20 drill is an incredible tool that's packed with features and power. With its brushless motor, adjustable torque setting, and built-in LED light, it's perfect for heavy-duty tasks and DIY projects alike. Therefore, if you're looking for a reliable drill that will last for years to come, this one is definitely worth the investment. For the best price on Amazon, click the link in the description to get yours today.